How to delete your Facebook account permanently. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Visnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Facebook account. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. First thing first, if you want to delete your Facebook account, first you want to open up Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. And from here you want to tap on the settings with the gear icon. And once you do so, you want to tap on the account center option. Under account center, you want to head into the option that says personal details under the account settings. And from here you can see account ownership and control, and then tap on deactivation or deletion. Now if you have multiple accounts linked, it'll show up here. Simply tap on the particular Facebook account that you wish to delete, and then make sure the blue circle is on the delete account option. Simply tap on delete account and then tap on continue. It'll ask you for password. You want to enter in your Facebook account password and you'll be able to delete it. So this way you can delete your Facebook account. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.